Your business just died. Your bank account says zero. Your friends stopped calling. And you're sitting there thinking this is the end. Wrong. This isn't your funeral. This is your birth. Look, I get it. You're scrolling through LinkedIn, watching everyone else crush it while you can't even afford your morning coffee. You're questioning every decision you've made. Your family's giving you those looks. You know the ones. But here's what nobody tells you about rock bottom. It's not a pit. It's a launching pad. And I'm about to prove it to you in the next 10 minutes. Because while you're busy feeling sorry for yourself, you're missing the most important truth about failure. It's not happening to you. It's happening for you. First, let's get one thing straight. 77% of US employees have experienced burnout, and 48% of workers globally are currently grappling with burnout. You're not special. You're not unique. You're just another casualty of a system that taught you to grind until you break. But here's harsh truth number one. Your burnout wasn't caused by working too hard. It was caused by working on the wrong things. Think about it. Steve Jobs got fired from Apple, the company he created. Walt Disney was told he lacked imagination and got fired from a newspaper. Oprah was demoted from her first television job for being too emotionally invested. These people didn't fail because they weren't good enough. They failed because they were in the wrong place at the wrong time doing the wrong thing. Your business failed? Good. That means you were brave enough to try something most people never will. Your job let you go? Perfect. That means you're free to find something that actually deserves your talent. Harsh truth number two. Rock bottom is where you stop lying to yourself. When you have nothing left to lose, you finally see clearly. No more pretending that toxic relationship was fine. No more convincing yourself that dead-end job had potential. No more making excuses for why you're settling for less than you deserve. Rock bottom strips away all the comfortable lies and forces you to face one question. Who are you when everything is taken away? Here's what they don't teach you in business school. Failure is data. Every mistake you made, every door that slammed in your face, every no you received, that's not punishment. That's education. And it's education you can't get anywhere else. When General Motors went bankrupt in 2009, everyone wrote them off. But guess what? GM recovered post-bankruptcy through strategic leadership, restructuring, and innovation. They didn't just survive, they came back stronger. Harsh truth number three. Your rock bottom is someone else's starting point. While you're crying about losing your startup, there's a kid in their garage right now who would kill to have the experience you just gained. While you're worried about your empty bank account, you've got something money can't buy. The knowledge of what doesn't work. And that's pure gold. Think about this. Before rock bottom, you were probably playing it safe, making small bets, worried about what people would think. But now you've got nothing to lose. And that's the most dangerous position you can be in. Dangerous for everyone who doubted you. Okay, enough philosophy. Let's talk action. Because feeling sorry for yourself isn't a strategy. Step 1. Inventory your wreckage. Write down everything that went wrong. Every mistake, every bad decision, every person who let you down. Get it all out. This isn't about blame. This is about learning. You can't fix what you won't face. Step 2. Extract the lessons. For every failure, ask yourself, what did this teach me? Not why did this happen to me? That's victim thinking. What did this teach me? That's survivor thinking. Step 3. Identify your non-negotiables. What values did you compromise that led to this? What boundaries did you ignore? What red flags did you pretend weren't there? Write them down. These become your new rules. Step 4. Start small. Think big. You don't need to rebuild Rome in a day. You need to do one thing right, then another, then another. Momentum builds on itself. Here's the thing about rock bottom, it's solid. You can build on it. Unlike sand, unlike quicksand, rock bottom won't shift under your feet. It's the most stable foundation you'll ever have. Here's the formula that separates the comeback kings from the permanently broken. Pain plus perspective, purpose equals power. The pain is done. You felt it. Now you need perspective. This isn't the end of your story, it's the plot twist. The part where the hero realizes they had the power all along. And purpose? That's your why. Not your old why. That one obviously wasn't strong enough. Your new why. The one forged in fire. The one that makes you willing to walk through hell to get what you want. Most people get comfortable in their misery. They make friends with failure. They start collecting excuses like trophies. Don't be most people. Your comeback starts the moment you stop looking for someone to save you and start saving yourself. So here's your choice. You can stay down there feeling sorry for yourself, or you can use rock bottom as the foundation for the life you actually want. Because here's the final truth nobody wants to tell you. The world doesn't owe you a comeback. You have to earn it. Every day you spend wallowing is a day your future self will never get back. Every excuse you make is a dream you're killing. Every tomorrow I'll start is another day you choose to stay broken. Rock bottom broke you down to build you back up. The question is, are you going to let it? Stop making excuses. Start making moves. Your comeback starts now. What's one thing you're going to do today to start your comeback? Comment below.